You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 43. Creating a subtask for a major incident. Let's move ahead and perform this task and complete this lab. To start with this lab, we need to log in with our primary account. So using my primary account, I am logged in into home.atlassian. Now we'll click on Jira Service Management. Under spaces, we are going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management and we'll open this incident on which we are working. Incident is NIA 7. It's a major incident, all users unable to send or receive email. Now let's move ahead and we are going to create a subtask now. Okay, on top, see, might be because of visibility. If I just increase the visibility here, create task, click on create task, and in subtask we need to type restart exchange server and then click on enter. My subtask is created now. On all users, we'll see we have a subtask created. If we click on this, it's a subtask. That's it for this lab. What we did in this lab, we have just created a subtask. So in an incident, if you have multiple tasks you are performing, let's say if I am sending one task to network team, I will create a separate task. One task I am sending to database team, I will create it. I can have multiple tasks in an incident or in any other request. I will repeat, I can have multiple subtasks in any sort of request. With this, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.